Hey guys, looking for a sleek and portable monitor to boost your productivity or gaming setup on the go? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm unboxing the KYY K3 portable USB monitor. This is an ultra slim, stylish display perfect for life on the go. I recently picked up this lightweight portable monitor to pair it with my Lenovo X1 Carbon notebook. It was an Amazon find for under $100, and I went with the black version to match my laptop. And here's why I'm excited about it. It's lightweight, has a versatile Type-C interface, offers a 15.6-inch screen, HDR capabilities, and full HD image quality. I mean, what's not to like for under $100? Let's open this up and check out what's inside. Packaging feels sturdy, and be greeted with a how to use smart cover pamphlet. Also how to connect to Android devices, iOS devices, USB-C devices, and HDMI devices. Super cool. And underneath, a power brick. And a portable monitor user manual. Very cool. An HDMI cable. And this appears to be a Type-C cable. This is very cool, you guys. I'm excited. Yep. It's USB A to Type-C cable. Alright, let's go ahead and open the monitor. The main attraction, the star of the show. Alright, comes with a beautiful, appears to be some sort of fabric style case, and I can feel it, it's magnetic. Very, very cool, you guys. Oh yeah, it's magnetic. And it has like some sort of protector on it. And here's the monitor itself. Very cool. Kind of like a matte screen, which I like it a lot. It's nothing gonna shine or reflect on your face as you're working with this. And it has a magnetic cover with adjustable to 2 levels. Kind of like those tablet cases. And it's magnetic. Wow, this is beautiful. Some of those tablet cases, magnetic tablet cases, are expensive as this whole thing is. Here's a brightness adjustment. It's like a power button on the left side. The right side has a mini HDMI port. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope it's not blurring it. Yeah, a mini HDMI port and 2 Type-C ports, both of them powered. And the model number and all that good stuff written in the back. It says the model number K3 15.6 Full HD IPS LED portable USB-C monitor, 1922 1080 resolution. This is very cool. All right, let's go ahead and connect this to my X1 Carbon, see how it's gonna work. Let me go ahead and grab it. All right, so I connected the Type-C to Type-C of the Lenovo X1 Carbon, and let me go ahead and open the screen on that one. As soon as I do that, this one kicks in, and once I unlock the screen, boom, here you go, you guys. and it's like a extended screen. I don't know if you can see it. Here's my mouse, and let me go ahead and move this from here to that one, and to show you guys the same video right here. Boom. Here it is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and try this with my Samsung Android tablet too. See if it's gonna work. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. First, let me turn this guy off. And let me grab the Android tablet. This is a Galaxy Tab 8 Plus, and based on instructions, keep the phone fully charged, connect the monitor to external power supply. Let's see what happens without the power supply. Certainly powers it up. Here you go. I have it on my monitor, my Samsung tablet on that one as well. Obviously it's not touchscreen, so it's basically duplicating. I wonder if there's a setting on Samsung that I can go ahead and set this up. Yeah, you guys, I think this is an incredible value for under $100. Getting something like this, and it's usable with tablets as well as with laptops. Or excellent device, and the best part is full HD. There's a difference on the screen quality, as you see here. This is a full OLED screen versus IPS screen. But other than that, full HD into this screen, I think it's incredible, under $100. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. So this is the KYY K3 portable USB monitor. It's lightweight, versatile, and packs a punch with its full HD display, Type-C interface, and HDR capabilities, all for under $100. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their productivity or enjoy a better on-the-go screen experience. I think it's incredible that I can use this monitor with my Lenovo X1 Carbon laptop as well as with my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus tablet. According to user manual, it can even be used with an iOS device like an iPhone, iPad, or with a device with an HDMI port such as a TV or a game console. If you're interested in this great monitor, I included a link in the description. By purchasing through this link, you'll be supporting my channel at no additional cost to you. Thank you. Bottom line, I'm genuinely impressed that this monitor packs so many great features, all for under $100. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you on the next video.